Hello. So next I will demonstrate noise, enharmonic or indefinite pitched sounds. So pitched sounds, these are actually sounds that do not have an identifiable pitch. The pitch is actually not clear, and then also there is no fundamental frequency. This is because, and also their frequencies are also not orderly arranged. They are uh, randomly placed. So, and then the first example that I will give here is on the snare. The snare, the snare is actually part of the drum set, so which is on the percussion section. So I'll play. I have the recorded sound of the snare here. These are the tracks. So I'll first of all start by, you come here first of all where it says FX, because this is the reason being because I want to insert what we call a frequency spectrum analyzer, analyzing meter. This meter is actually used to read frequencies for us to be able to conclude and see, okay, this is how indefinite pitch sounds appear, and this is how definite pitch sounds also show up. So let me insert a frequency spectrum analyzing meter. I come here where it says FX, you just right click there, and then you have something like this. I'm using Reaper for this demonstration illustration. So let me insert the tone. A frequency spectrum analyzer. Okay, you press add. Okay, so you have something like this, and then I'll play the snare, and then I'll solo it. Okay, so let me stretch it. Okay. Mhm. So as you can see, when the snare is actually plucked, it's actually producing a lot, like it actually producing sounds with a lot of with the mixtures, you know, with mixtures of overtones as well. So let me play it one more time again. So when this snare is actually plucked, it's actually producing sounds with a lot of mixtures of overtones, so which makes it more complex for us to be able to identify the pitch. There's no fundamental frequencies, and then also the frequencies are not orderly arranged, and that also adds to the reason why we can't identify the pitch for the snare, and this is why it fits in the category for uh, enharmonics or indefinite pitched sounds. And then the next example that I'll give is on the cymbal also under the enharmonics. So I'm doing the same thing I did for the snare. I'm just coming here, you insert a frequency spectrum analyze meter. So okay, all right. So I'm also going to solo the cymbals. can see also the symbols that also the harmonics are not even orderly arranged. They are not orderly arranged. This also makes it more complex for the pitch to be identifiable. So, and then the next example I'll give is on the last one, the heart. So this was the recorded heart. So move this one. I'm repeating the same process as well. Insert a frequency spectrum, analyze here, then press add, and then let me solo it, and then we play it. So you can see that the sound it's producing has a lot of mixtures of overtones and no identifiable pitch as well. So this actually makes it more complex for the pitch to be identifiable. So that's just basically it about the enharmonics. Thank you very much. Thank you for watching this video.